So hours before, when it comes to the election results in the national capital, the political showdown in Delhi seems to be intensifying over the latest claim that has been made by the liberal leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, in a clear, when it comes to a direction that is coming from the Delhi LG, has now given instructions to the ACB or the Anti-Corruption Bureau to investigate when it comes to the Operation Lotus allegations made by the Aam Aadmi Party. This is coming when the BJP has now approached the Delhi LG, dismissing the accusations as baseless. Now it will be up to the ACB on the directions by the Delhi LG to question key Aam Aadmi Party leaders. And those who have been making the allegations include Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia and Mukesh Ahlawat as well. Let's quickly go across to Sagrika now. Sagrika, it was the BJP that first raised the concern and raised a complaint, and on that very basis, instructions that have been issued to the ACB by the Delhi LG.
Yes, and it's the eve of counting in Delhi, and there are tremors over the allegations of poaching or Khareed Farokt, as the Aam Aadmi Party is calling it, in the national capital. Now the LG, this is a letter from the LG office and I'm going to read out from it. The subject is allegations of offer of bribe to MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party. It has been widely reported in the print and electronic and social media that Aam Aadmi Party has been making allegations that the BJP is offering to it's offering bribe to its MLAs to quit the Aam Aadmi Party and join the BJP. AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal accused the BJP of trying to poach his party's candidates. While making the claim on X, the AAP convener has made an oblique reference to the BJP and said that the party that engages in hurling verbal abuses has offered 15 crores to 16 AAP candidates to switch over. The said allegations were repeated by senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, including the Chief Minister. A representation has been received today from the Delhi BJP stating that the allegations are false and baseless. It has been further stated that the allegations have only been made with an intent to tarnish the image of the BJP and create panic and situation of unrest in Delhi immediately after the conclusion of polling. Honorable Lieutenant Governor has desired that this matter merits a thorough investigation through the Anti-Corruption Bureau to establish the truth in the matter. Now, how did it start? Let me also take you through the charge that was made by one AAP leader. His post is here. His name is Mukesh Ahlawat. Mukesh Ahlawat put a post on social media on the basis of which the Aam Aadmi Party and its top leaders went ahead and fired these allegations. What did Mukesh Ahlawat say? He said, मैं मर जाऊंगा, कट जाऊंगा, लेकिन कभी अरविंद केजरीवाल जी का साथ नहीं छोड़ूंगा. मुझे इस नंबर से फोन आया. उसने बोला कि उनकी सरकार बन रही है, मंत्री बना देंगे और 15 करोड़ भी देंगे. आप छोड़ के आ जाओ. मैं इनको कहना चाहता हूं कि जो इज्जत केजरीवाल जी ने और आप पार्टी ने मुझे दी है, मैं मरते दम तक अपनी पार्टी को नहीं छोड़ूंगा. And he posts a screenshot of the number from which he received this call. The BJP on its part is calling this shoot and scoot by the Aam Aadmi Party.
All right, asking it to substantiate with evidence, because now it seems Priyank and Mohit, who are also joining us live right now. Sagrika, thank you very much. Reaction coming in from Sanjay Singh. Let's play that out first.
कि किस नंबर से मुकेश अहलावत के पास फोन आया, उसकी जांच करें. ड्रामा करने की क्या जरूरत है?
नहीं, आपने एलिगेशन लगाया संजय,
तो एलिगेशन लगाया है तो वही तो देने जा रहे हैं.
आप खुद कंप्लेंट
देने जा रहे हैं.
लगता नहीं थोड़ी देरी होगी? बीजेपी वाले पहले
खुद शिकायत,
अरे साहब ने ऑर्डर भी कर दिया.
उनको करना है ड्रामा, हमको करनी है शिकायत. हमको चाहिए कार्रवाई करके दिखाए एसीबी. मैं खुद एसीबी दफ्तर जा रहा हूँ अपने वकील के साथ. मैं खुद एसीबी दफ्तर जा रहा हूँ शिकायत करने के लिए. कार्रवाई करे एसीबी.
सवाल उठे कल क्यों नहीं कंप्लेंट किया, आज क्यों किया बीजेपी वाले?
कल मीडिया में बोला आप लोगों के सामने, मीडिया में बोला. कौन सा एविडेंस चाहिए? किस प्रकार का एविडेंस चाहिए? अगर आपके सामने एक फोन नंबर मैंने जारी करके बता दिया कि इस फोन नंबर से ऑफर आया, इस फोन नंबर से हमारे विधायक को, मंत्री को तोड़ने की कोशिश की गई, और क्या चाहिए एविडेंस? किस प्रकार का एविडेंस चाहिए? तो हम खुद शिकायत करने जा रहे हैं सीबी दफ्तर.
बीजेपी सवाल उठाया कि आप लोग पहले प्रॉपर चैनल से क्यों नहीं किया? ठीक है, आपने कंप्लेन किया, ट्विटर पे आपने क्वेश्चन रेज किया, बीजेपी वाले पहले पहुंच गए.
ये लोग मासूम बच्चे हैं, इन्हें कुछ नहीं पता चलता. इतने भोले हैं बेचारे. अगर इन्होंने ट्विटर पे देख भी लिया तो ये बेचारे भोले बच्चे हैं, कोमा में थे, सो रहे थे, इन्हें पता नहीं था. अब आज मुझे जाके इनको झकझोर के जगाना पड़ रहा है. मैं खुद जा रहा हूँ एसीबी दफ्तर.
आपकी कंप्लेन पे
ले रहे हैं ना, अच्छी बात है, कार्रवाई करें. आप कह रहे हो कि हमारे ट्विटर पे लिखने से वो जागे हैं और वो उस शिकायत को गंभीरता से ले रहे हैं. तो मैं खुद ही वो शिकायत का पत्र उनके दफ्तर में देने जा रहा हूँ।
बीजेपी की कंप्लेन भी ले रहे हैं, आपके ट्विटर का तो बीजेपी ने ब्यौरा दिया।
तो बीजेपी के अपना दफ्तर बीजेपी के कार्यालय में शिफ्ट कर लें।
सर एलजी ने भी
भाई हमारे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में क्यों कार्रवाई नहीं कर रही है सीबी? हमने जब बीजेपी की शिकायत का इंतजार कर रहे थे कि हमारे बाबूजी जब बोलेंगे तब हम घर से निकलेंगे। क्यों?
अभी
मतलब एक एमपी
संतुष्ट नहीं नजर आ रहा संजय जी, आपकी कंप्लेन आपने ट्विटर पे जो पॉइंट रेज किया
वो आपकी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है।
Sanjay Singh now saying that, of course, when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party too, Mohit, they saying that they are also going to raise a complaint, saying that we have given you the number, we have presented you the number from which the apparent call came. It is now up to the agency to call and substantiate with evidence. Mohit, how do we look at that just hours to before the Delhi mandate comes out?
Well, Amita, massive political row has erupted now just few hours to go before the Delhi elections will be announced. We see that how it was being claimed by the Aam Aadmi Party that how exactly their MLAs are being given an offer of 15 crore rupees by the BJP, and they said that BJP is behind this Operation Lotus. Now, BJP today wrote to the LG, and the BJP clearly stated that an action should be taken because no proof has been given by the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, what we see is that LG has ordered Anti-Corruption Bureau to probe this particular matter. So it's a massive political row that has erupted. We have Ajay Sehrawat from the BJP. Let's speak to him, ask him what exactly. Ajay, आम आदमी पार्टी की तरफ से एलिगेशन लगे थे और अब एसीबी ने जो है एसीबी एक्शन लेगी, एलजी ने एसीबी को एक्शन लेने के लिए कह दिया है। 15 करोड़ रुपए का इल्जाम बीजेपी के ऊपर, आपके ऊपर आम आदमी पार्टी लगा रही है कि 15 करोड़ रुपए का ऑफर आप दे रहे हैं।
देखिए, पहली बात तो इस तरह का आरोप अरविंद केजरीवाल कोई पहली बार नहीं लगा रहे हैं। चाहे चुनाव कोई भी हो, चाहे म्युनिसिपैलिटी का चुनाव हो, निगम का चुनाव हो, विधानसभा का चुनाव हो, लोकसभा का चुनाव हो, हर चुनाव से पहले सेम स्क्रिप्ट, सेम एजेंडा और सेम प्रोपेगेंडा, बस नेता बदल जाता। कभी संजय सिंह ये बयानबाजी करते हैं तो कभी आतिश ये बयानबाजी करती है। मुझे लगता है इस तरह के प्रोपेगेंडा को फैला करके ही उन्होंने अपनी इमेज खुद खराब कर ली।
पहले आप लोग एसीबी को कंप्लेंट की और अब जो है एक्शन लिया जाएगा, तो कहीं ना कहीं आम आदमी पार्टी की तरफ से कहा जाएगा कि लीडर्स को टारगेट किया जा रहा है।
देखिए, बड़ी क्लियर बात है, इस तरह का झूठ फैला के मीडिया ट्रायल करके वो सिर्फ बीजेपी की इमेज को खराब करना चाहते हैं, हमारे सीनियर लीडर्स की इमेज को खराब करना चाहते हैं। और ये पहली बार नहीं होगी जब हमारी कंप्लेंट पर उनके खिलाफ केस होगा, और ऐसा नहीं होगा कोर्ट में जाके माफी नहीं मांगेंगे। स्वर्गीय अरुण जेटली से वो माफी मांग चुके हैं नाक रगड़ करके सुप्रीम कोर्ट के अंदर, उसके बाद नितिन गडकरी से वो माफी मांग चुके हैं कोर्ट के अंदर, बाई लिखित हैंड रिटन सिग्नेचर करके माफी मांग चुके हैं। और मजीठिया, जिनको उन्होंने कभी ड्रग पिन कहा था पंजाब में, उनके खिलाफ भी रिटन अपॉलॉजी मांग चुके हैं।
कह रहे कि सिर्फ उनके क्लेम्स है एक तरह से।
हर बार का प्रोपेगेंडा है। मैं आपको 400% वादा करता हूं, देख लीजिएगा हमारी कंप्लेंट के बाद वो दोबारा रिटर्न अपॉलॉजी मांगेंगे जैसे इलेक्शन खत्म हो जाएगा।
So there you see the reactions coming in from the BJP. The BJP clearly says that these are all the fake allegations. The no proof have been submitted, while the Aam Aadmi Party leaders have put out a number. Now that particular number has been put out by the Aam Aadmi Party, and the BJP says
it is all about. Bhavtosh is also with us, but Priyank, as you were speaking to Sanjay Singh as well, what exactly happened in that closed-door meeting? Because the BJP and the Congress both are raising questions how there can be any poaching allegations when the candidate haven't won. The result isn't out yet.
Yeah, but before that, there's another update that the legal team of Aam Aadmi Party has reached here after Times Now broke this information that the ACB team has left for the residence of Arvind Kejriwal, Sanjay Singh and Mukesh Sehrawat, the three, senior leaders of Aam Aadmi Party who were raising question. Now the legal team has been called on question that why Aam Aadmi Party did not prefer to give a complaint to the ACB or to any competent authority. The senior leadership of Aam Aadmi Party has been dodging of the question. While talking about this particular allegation, blame game, which initially started yesterday after tweet of Mukesh Sehrawat, who claimed that I have received a call. Later to that, Arvind Kejriwal also came on the same lines. He said that my 20 candidates have received a call. Sanjay Singh also came and he said that 7 of them have been receiving the call. The BJP started demanding, investigation in this particular matter. We were thinking that the Delhi police will be probing this, but when the complaint copy was given to the Lieutenant Governor, because the BJP thought that it's better to give the complaint to the LG's office, the complaint was marked to the ACB, which is the Anti-Corruption Bureau of the Delhi government itself. The complaint copy which our colleagues were showing right now on the TV
both
screen.
sides, Bhavtosh, that means that they are going to raise the issue as far as already the BJP has taken up this complaint with the Delhi LG, and the Delhi LG has already ordered ACB investigation to conduct a probe. However, the Aam Aadmi Party on the other side will also be raising a complaint on its own.
Yes, Amita, in fact, an initial probe has started. No FIR has been filed in this case. We are outside Sanjay Singh's residence. There is no one. Sanjay Singh is not inside his residence, but what we have gathered from our colleague Priyank, that it could be possible that he will go to ACB, but sources within ACB has said that if required, we will go to his residence, serve him a summon and ask whether their allegation is true, whether it's based on any credible evidence. Remember, it is on social media that they have made this complaint that they have received credible information that their MLAs are being pushed, that around 15 crore rupees is being given to all of them to switch sides to join BJP. Now, results will be declared tomorrow from 8 a.m. onwards, but AAP is now claiming that their MLAs will be pushed. Now, the amount they are quoting is a huge amount. They are saying that 15 crore rupees will be offered to them, and they have all said this on social media. Sources in ACB has said that they are in fact seized of this matter, and they will in fact want to record the statement of Sanjay Singh, also of AAP MLA, and also that of Arvind Kejriwal. They have said that this is a very big charge that they have that has been leveled on BJP. BJP has said that Aam Aadmi Party has this habit of leveling baseless allegations, evidence, and no evidence has been provided by them. They also want an investigation to be carried out. It could be possible that ACB team might come here and also record the statement of Sanjay Singh. This is his official residence, and we are waiting whether ACB team will be coming here to record the statement of Sanjay Singh.
All right, because Sanjay Singh himself is going to the ACB office. I mean, Priyank, how does the allegations seem to be playing out? I believe more reactions that are coming in.
Along with Sanjay Singh and
शिकायत देने जा रहा हूँ ACB दफ्तर.
And Sanjay Singh is going along with the legal team to file the complaint.
ACB दफ्तर जा रहे हैं.
वो तो यहाँ खुद ही आ रहे हैं संजय जी, तो यहीं पे दे देते. So certainly in the videos you can see that the Aam Aadmi Party has suddenly woken up after the complaint which was given from the side of the Bharatiya Janata Party and which has been taken into consideration by the ACB. Let's listen to Sanjay.
पहले से बोल रहा हूँ ना, आप अब पूछिए एक सवाल.
कितने प्रत्याशियों के आप लोगों की कॉल आई है?
अभी फिर बताया, फिर दोहराऊं, या आप सुनते नहीं या जानबूझ के बार बार पूछते. हमने आपसे कहा 16 से अधिक लोगों तक उनको तोड़ने की कोशिश की गई है. एक का हमने फोन नंबर जारी किया है, शिकायत करने जा रहे हैं. एसीबी उस पर कार्रवाई करे ना, ड्रामा क्यों कर रहे हो? कार्रवाई करके दिखाओ ना.
संजय जी, सबको एक ही नंबर से कॉल आई है या सबके अलग अलग नंबर है?
वो सारी डिटेल जांच के दौरान बताएंगे. मीडिया में थोड़ी बताएंगे, जांच के दौरान.
अच्छा, अभी आप ज्यादा बता रहे तो और नंबर भी आप जारी करेंगे, जैसे मुकेश अहलावत ने जारी
अरे एक पे तो कार्रवाई करने दो. आपको भी तो पता चलना चाहिए कितनी निष्पक्ष संस्था है. एक जारी कर दिया ना, उस पे कार्रवाई करेंगे तब आप मानोगे कि हाँ ये बड़े अच्छे हैं और हम बड़े बुरे हैं.
Okay, so this is what Sanjay Singh has been saying, that they have released one number and very soon they will be coming out with very other numbers. But the fact of the matter is that the Aam Aadmi Party used the social media
platform. As far as Sanjay
platform.
Singh himself would be reaching the ACB, as far as saying that they themselves would be raising the issue. Let's listen into the BJP.
सर, संजय सिंह लीगल टीम के साथ जो है निकल गए हैं अपने घर से ACB के.
जमानत पर छूटे हुए अपराधी अक्सर लीगल टीम के साथ ही रहते हैं.
All right, BJP in the meantime reacting, as far as, because it was the BJP first who had raised the issue and taking up the issue with the Delhi LG, saying that they want the allegations of bribery to be investigated, and making on that instructions and the directions that have now been issued by the Delhi LG to the ACB this time. And when it comes to certain leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, now they are likely to be asked and to substantiate with evidence, because the Aam Aadmi Party on its own, Bhavtosh, have been releasing a certain number. Now, whose number is it? That is still remains in question. And if that number at all is through a BJP or someone linked to the BJP, as the Aam Aadmi Party is making the allegations that the offer to join the BJP came from that particular number.
Amita, this number has been released by Aam Aadmi Party and this number is available on social media. Now this is a criminal investigation. This number will be checked. Whether this number has anything to do with the allegations that have been leveled, it could be possible that this number could be linked to the allegations that have been leveled, or this could be some kind of a prank that has been played. Remember, this is not the first time that Aam Aadmi Party has leveled a serious allegation of poaching. Even previously they had done so. This happened last year. This happened in 2022, but this time...
But putting out another breaking update that we are getting to know, Bhavtosh, as Priyank also continues to be with us, the LG has now asked the ACB to probe the allegation, and AAP minister repeats the poaching claim, saying that he got a call from Parvesh Verma's aide, asked to switch side if the Aam Aadmi Party loses. That seems to be, as far as this offer that has now been made, apparently, as far as the representation saying that came in from Parvesh Verma's aide, that has been the allegation that has now been leveled by the AAP leader.
12 बजे के आसपास फोन आया था मेरे पास और वो बोल रहे थे मिलने के लिए कि आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं और परवेश वर्मा जी के ने आपसे को फोन मिलवाया है तो मैंने कहा क्यों मिलवाया भाई क्या काम है आप लोगों को हम तो आम आदमी पार्टी के हैं और बोले आपके फायदे के लिए है आपको फायदा ही होगा तो मैं कहा फायदा क्या होगा चुनाव तो हो गया अब फायदा तो बात पहले कर लेते रिकॉर्डिंग तो देखो ऐसा है व्हाट्सएप कॉल किया है कोई व्हाट्सएप
Well, lots been happening. It's really interesting as far as when it comes to such sensational allegations just that have been leveled just hours to go before the Delhi mandate is out. But when it comes to the elections, it's right here as far as Times Now is concerned. The countdown continuously playing on your screens. We'll be back after a short break.